Here is today's draft to delivery fix. We're going to talk about distribution. So when you have 3 or more text boxes that you want to distribute evenly so that they're spaced out evenly, you shift and click all of the boxes that you want to distribute, go into Format, Arrange, Distribute, and then vertically, and then you'll see them adjust so that the space in between the top 2 text boxes and the bottom 2 text boxes are equal. Now, if you only shift click 2 boxes, you'll see that distribute is not an option. It's grayed out. So it's not until you select that third one, then you can have the distribution options. So that is the vertical distribution. Horizontal distribution. Same concept. We have a left text box, a middle, and a right. We're going to shift click all 3 of them. Going to distribute horizontally, and you'll see it shifts so that there's equal spacing. Same thing as before. If you only shift click 2, distribute is not an option. That is today's draft to delivery fix.